Here's how to send a secure email in Gmail in 2026. If this helps you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Gmail guides. First, open Google Chrome and go to gmail.com. Sign into your Gmail account if you're not already logged in. Click the Compose button in the top left corner to start a new email. Enter the recipient's email address and your message like normal. At the bottom of the email window, click the lock icon with a clock. This opens Gmail's confidential mode, which helps protect your message. Choose an expiration date for the email. You can also require a passcode, which prevents forwarding, copying, downloading, or printing the message. Click Save, then click Send. Your email is now protected and can only be accessed under the rules you set. And that's it. You've successfully sent a secure email in Gmail. Subscribe for more simple Gmail tutorials like this.